And a nice warm start to your Wednesday morning. See temperatures already in the low to mid 40s. We have 44 in Throgs Neck, 41 in the Bronx Zoo. Winds are calm, so we have no wind chill. What you see is what you feel out there, which is very nice for this time of year. Already about 7-8 degrees above the average temperature for this time of year. Looking at the satellite, you can see some clouds overspread the area. We had some sun early this morning, but that has since left us, and that's due to a system to our north. We have a cold front moving its way through Pennsylvania. The rain should break up by the time it reaches our region, so shouldn't see too much in the way of rain for this evening. Heading over Throgs Neck, you can see a mix of sun and clouds, more clouds this afternoon, but we see the warm temperatures, high around 53 degrees. We will see a bit of a breeze pick up later in the evening as that front moves through. As for our almanac today, see with that forecast 53 degree high, we're looking at about 15 degrees above the average this time of year, which should be right around 38. As for tonight, you can see still above average, around order of 10 degrees, with a low of around 37. So look at the futurecast, you can see clouds throughout the day. Right around sunset, around 4:47 tonight, you can see it's beginning to clear out, but still clouds in the area. And as the evening commute goes on, clearing out and be clear come around 8, 9 o'clock tonight. So for tonight, we're looking for a low of around 37 degrees. Breeze does pick up out of the west, 5 to 15 miles per hour, with a few gusts, probably higher than 20, around 25 miles per hour. We'll have those clear skies, but overall, really not that cold of a night compared to what we've seen these last few days. A little bit of cool down tomorrow and Friday of highs, not as warm as today, only in the upper 40s. A bit of a chance of a shower late Friday as another weak system moves through. Just in time for the weekend, a big warm up. Highs in the upper 50s, potentially hitting 60 degrees, especially on Sunday. You see that high listed here at 59. Starting to get back to reality come next week as we see the temperatures dipping down back into the 50s and the 40s, potentially for a much stronger cool down later next week. We'll have more on that, the weather on the 10s. Stick around. And good morning, I'm meteorologist Greg Diamond. A great way to start your Wednesday. We have temperatures already in the mid-40s throughout much of Brooklyn. We have 46 in Canarsie, 45 in Park Slope. Winds are light out of the south-southwest, and in fact, they're actually calm in some places, as we see up in Canarsie. Looking at the satellite, you can see where we did have some sun earlier in the day that has since left us. We have clouds overtaking the region, and that's due to a system to our north. And to our east, you can see there's a bit of a rain over eastern Pennsylvania, and that's due to the cold front, which is going to bring some cooler temperatures to us over the next 2 days. That comes through tonight. However, I don't think the rain will hold up. It's just too dry. Maybe we'll see a sprinkler or two here and there, but overall, a mainly dry night. Heading over to Grand Army Plaza, you can see we have a high around 52 degrees today. A bit of a breeze kicks up later in the evening as that front moves through, but overall, a nice day. We're looking at about 15 degrees above the average temperature for this time of year, which is about 38. And good morning, I'm meteorologist Greg Diamond. A pleasant start to your Wednesday. You see temperatures already in the mid-40s. We have 46 in Canarsie, 45 in Park Slope. Winds are light out of the south-southwest, around 5 miles per hour. Calm in some places, as you see in Greenpoint and Canarsie, it's calm. So really not much of wind chill out there. What you see here is what you feel outside. Looking at the satellite, you see where we had some sun early in the day that has since left us and been replaced with these clouds due to a system to our north. To our west, you can see some rain moving in through eastern and central Pennsylvania, and that's due to a cold front that's going to pass through our region tonight, bringing some colder temperatures tomorrow. In terms of rain, really not expecting much, maybe a sprinkle here or there, but it's much too dry. Much of this rain will evaporate before it reaches the ground once it gets to the tri-state area. Heading on over to Grand Army Plaza, you can see we'll have those clouds throughout the day. Temperatures will be warm, they'll continue to warm, and we'll get right around 52 degrees for the high. That's about 15 degrees above the average for this time of year. We should be only around 38 degrees. So it's a nice, pleasant day to be outside, especially for the beginning of January, so go out and enjoy it. The future range. Looking at your 7-day forecast, we'll see, like I said, a little cooler tomorrow and Thursday. Highs not breaking 50, but still in the upper 40s, about 10 degrees where we should be. We have a big warm up in store for the weekend, with temperatures right around the 60-degree mark. Monday and Tuesday begins a cool down. We potentially could have a much bigger cool down later next week. We'll have more on that in 10 minutes. Stick around. And good morning, I'm meteorologist Greg Diamond. A great start to your Wednesday. We see temperatures already in the mid-40s, 45 in Park Slope, 46 in Canarsie. Bit of a light wind out of the south-southwest, otherwise calm in some locations. So there isn't much of a wind chill. What you see outside is what you feel around the mid-40s. So a great start to this January day. We had some sun earlier that has since left us. We have clouds moving in, due to our system to our north. What we see out to our west, this bit of rain, that's due to a cold front that's going to move through our region later tonight. It's not going to bring much in the terms of rain, maybe a sprinkler or two, but it will cool down temperatures by a few degrees over the next 2 days. So looking at today, we'll see temperatures right around 53 degrees for the high, about 15 degrees above what we should see this time of year, which is about 38. You look at that almanac, you can see our normal high is 38, normal low is 26. We're only going to get to about 37 tonight, so we're remaining warm throughout the whole day. Not record warmth though, that's distinction is with 2008 where we got up to 64 degrees. So looking at the futurecast, like I said, we'll see those clouds throughout the majority of the day. Right around sunset is when they'll begin to clear out. We might see a few breaks of sun right as it goes down. Throughout the evening commute and early night, we'll see mostly clear conditions, and that'll prevail for much of tonight. Temperatures tonight will be right around the mid to upper 30s, 37 in Bensonhurst, 36 in Bushwick. Bit of a breeze coming out of the west, southwest as that front moves by. We could be gusting potentially up to about 25 miles per hour, so keep in mind those conditions. Looking at your 7-day forecast, you can see a little cooler Wednesday and Thursday, but just in time for the weekend. A nice warm up in store. We see temperatures potentially reaching a 60-degree mark, especially Saturday. We'll see a high of 59 degrees. Monday and Tuesday, it's sort of back to reality as temperatures dip back into the upper 40s, still above normal for this time of year, but potential for a much bigger cool down later next week. Stick around, more weather in 10 minutes.